30 most frequent questions about Generac generators. We have covered 30 questions in the last 3 videos. Today we are going to go through the last questions here. First one is, who can fix the generator if anything is wrong? So we, as a certified Generac dealer and technician, you're able to fix your generator. If you don't know who is nearby, you can call Generac directly and get the contacts of the certified Generac technicians. We are certified up to 150 kilowatt of generators. Second question, when should we do the maintenance? So the first time after installation is after 25 hours of operation or 6 months. Then the day after is every 100 hours or 100 hours the first year, or 100 hours of operation, whichever comes first. Third question is, what will void the warranty? So first of all, if you don't do the maintenance and something is wrong with your generator, the Generac will simply void the warranty. The other thing is, if there is not enough air circulation around the generator and then the engine, because these are air-cooled units, so if there is not enough air circulation and the generator is damaged because of anything that has blocked the generator, they will void the warranty. The other thing is, if you are using someone who is not certified by Generac and done something wrong during the installation, they have damaged the generator or the transfer switch, it's not covered. So technically you need to be an electrician and certified technician to be able to install the generators safe. Next question, are there any emergency shutdown procedures for the generator? Yes, there are 2 auxiliary shutdowns, one in the back, one inside the generator. If ever you want to turn it on right away, you can use those switches to turn the generator off. Next question is, what happens if the generator is running and the power comes back? The transfer switch will sense the power. It's going to wait 30 seconds to see if hydro is reliable. Then it will switch back to the hydro. It's going to wait 1 minute to cool down and goes off. Next question, can the generator power well pumps in rural areas? Definitely it's capable of doing that. There are different range of generators, 10 kilowatt to 26 kilowatt air cooled, and bigger units up to 150 kilowatt liquid cooled. The essentials are, let's say, pumps, fridge, freezer, some lights. These are the ones that we can put in a 10 kilowatt. And if you're going with the whole house, technically the whole house is going to be functional, including the bell pumps. Next question is, what are the ventilation requirements for the generator? So the air-cooled units need air to cool down the generator. If right, left and the back of the generator is blocked, there is not going to be enough circulation and the generator is going to get damaged. There are sensors to protect the generator and the engine, and it's going to stop it by itself. Next question is, what are the steps to manually start a generator if the automatic system fails? You can start the generator manually, but by the manual button on the generator, and give us a call so that we can check it out and fix the unit, because it's supposed to work automatically. Next question is, does the generator require regular software updates for its control system? Yes, it does, and during the installation we will connect it to the network, Wi-Fi network, so it can get the firmware update regularly. Also, when we come for the maintenance, it's not just the oil change, we will update the firmware too, and this is something that is necessary to be done. Last question, does the generator have overload protection and how does it work? Yes, it does have an overload protection. So if it's, let's say, if it's 26 kilowatt and we are going more than 110 amp for certain seconds, it's going to stop it by itself to protect the generator. That would be all. We have covered all the 40 questions. If you have other questions, you can put a comment for us.